Are you missing important Facebook notifications? Let's turn them back on properly. Are you missing all notifications or just certain types? Let me know in the comments below. First, check notification settings. Tap on your profile, then go to settings. Here you can see the notifications section. Tap on it and tap on mobile pulse. On Android, go to phone settings, then go to apps and find Facebook, then tap on it. Here you can see the notifications option. Toggle on priority. On the browser, click the lock icon next to facebook.com URL. Then set notifications to allow. Still not working? Uninstall and reinstall the app. This resets notification systems completely. Getting alerts now? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.